these are our options. I'm going to be wearing that shorts because I'm going to be home all day, just working, chilling. Fun fact, none of these t-shirts are actually mine. Now they're mine. They're actually hand-me-downs from either my sister or my friends. I've never actually spent money on buying clothes that I wear at home, like ever. Thanks to my sisters. They have an awesome choice selection. Sometimes I crop them. Sometimes, used t-shirts are the best. They're the comfiest t-shirts ever. So looks like we're going with the blue t-shirt. That's my cupboard. I didn't intend to show it, but while we're here, let me just turn the camera around. This is what my cupboard looks like. I have all my Indian like leggings and kurtis there. I have my t-shirts here. I have all my skirts. If you know me, I freaking love skirts and palazzos. I have my inner garments here, just a rack of arrangements, some baskets. I've actually been thinking of doing like a proper cleanup because I haven't cleaned my wardrobe in a very long time. Let me know if you'd like me to film that. That would be fun, I guess. Hello, good morning. So I just took a shower and I thought I'd just do a quick get ready. This is usually what I do on a daily basis. There's not too much makeup, but well, you can see. So I put on the balm first. This is the one that I spoke about in my July favorites. It's the Nivea Blackberry Shine. I'm looking here because I just have a mirror. Yeah, I did wash my hair. I've also mentioned this in my July favorites. This is the argan oil treatment from Salah. It's from the US. I just take a small pump of it, like that much, and spread it over my hand, warm it up a little bit. Just run it through the length of my hair because my hair has gotten quite long. Okay, now for my face, this is the clindamycin phosphate gel USB cream. I've been using this for my sort of acne. I don't know if you can see, but I do have quite a bit of spots, and ever since I started using this is recommended by the dermatologist, so I wouldn't recommend just going out and buying one. But ever since I started using this, I use this once a day. When it was getting kind of bad, I used it in the morning and in the night. I use it once a day and it's done miracles for my skin. So I absolutely love it. Just dot it all over my face. We're also filming here. I don't usually get ready here. I get ready in my own room with like a nice mirror and all that. But ever since Varda in Chennai, the walls in my house have just, like, the paint has just peeled off, and we were supposed to get it painted, but then the lockdown happened, so it's not a very aesthetic look. It looks quite weird, so I film in here. Just let it dry. While we're at it, I love putting on perfume. I love smelling nice. So even if I'm at home, you'll mostly see me putting on perfume. This is from Victoria's Secret. It's the Noir Tease. This is, I think, my second bottle, and I'm almost done with that because I absolutely love how it smells. I usually fancy like sweet, fruity scents. Sometimes I like musky, woody scents, but most of the times I like smelling sweet and fruity. So that's that. And then the final step is lipstick. Now, I wear lipstick almost every single day. Very few days that I don't. This is from Kiko's. It's a beautiful brownie pink, mauve, a little bitish. It's like an everyday shade. I'm taking off a little bit of my lip balm. It stays on quite a few hours. It is not matte. It's quite creamy. So even though I'm sitting at home and putting it on, I don't really feel like I have anything on. So I absolutely love it. And we're done. Hello. Oh my god, what is this? Why do you get me rose? For a work day. Do you have friends who get you rose? So we have some cheddar cheese. We have olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I was telling my mom also,
that how my dream is to like go to another country or whatever, do this, but your dream is to like go to this. Which place do you want to go and go grocery shop?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because
I'm showing her messages that you sent about basil and burger buns, and she's like, please go to her house.
So I just thought this is something that my mom taught me on how to quickly peel a garlic. I was gonna say lasan. So you take it, like hold it and kind of smash it to the ground, and you see it's broken open. Now you kind of just easily peel off the whole thing in like a second. Doesn't take too much work, and it's pretty easy. No, we forgot to put the cheese in. Just kind of dicing it and putting it in. I think that's sufficient. Okay, I'm gonna quickly taste it. I didn't put salt.
Oh, shit.
I was gonna drop. Okay, wait, how do I do this? Yeah.
It's really good. It's so good. I think spaghetti or?
And now I'm gonna make like a sandwich, like a burger bun.
I'm so excited to eat it.
Okay, now we're gonna do a taste test with Raksha and Chethi. What do you think about it? Is good?
Yeah.
We can't hear you.
I'm gonna taste the best one. Taste the cheese.
Really? Is it a good snack?
Really good.
It's time to start our work day. I usually like having company when I work because otherwise I get pretty distracted. So, see you during lunch. Bye, Raksha. How was the work day, Raksha?
Don't ask me questions.
We basically just worked on our own things. And I put the rose Raksha gave me. So she got me this lovely rose for making up for forgetting to get jalebi gatia breakfast. So I put it next to the desk. I think it looks so cute. Did you finish working?
I'm taking off the last thing so I want to do this.
Yay! Can we see that? Yes.
Yeah, but I have another to-do list to finish before the night. So
we'll get back to it after eating lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're currently gonna go have some nice tasty lunch.
Why am I like? I got a like time lapse or nap.
No. So we basically finished lunch and decided to take a nap. This is quite a trend in all my vlogs, even though I've only done one before.
In your life, not in your vlogs.
My life, actually. I love taking naps through the day. So,
by the way, naps aren't literally naps with the Shah. When the Shah takes a nap, she wakes up after 8 hours.
So I would sleep at like 3 p.m.-ish and I'll wake up at 8 p.m. if I'm not like vigorously or aggressively woken up. But today we will challenge that idea and wake up.
I will wake up. Anyway.
We will wake up at 4 p.m. and start working. I started a new Instagram page that you should follow. This is a plugin. It's called Moolah for You. I'm just going to be putting up updates about this YouTube channel there. I'm going to be putting up carousels of small bits of information on how you can manage your personal finance, saving, investing, tips, tricks, probably do some cool interviews. So lots of fun stuff coming up there, so you should definitely check it out. See you after our nap.
This also looks good. The work is.
Yeah, it's fine. Cool. Good evening. I don't think I should say good evening. Although, so clearly we didn't wake up at 4 p.m. We woke up around 5 with difficulty, but that's also because we kind of were chit-chatting away and we fell asleep by 4. So we had a good 1 hour of nap time. Now we're getting back to work. And I think it would be interesting to kind of take you through the process of how I actually work. I've been developing this work ethic probably from when I was in the 10th grade and I got elected as school captain. So it's been a journey for me, and I think I'm at a place where I kind of understand what works for me and what doesn't. For me, also, my work ethic and productivity is very closely linked to my mental health. I am an anxious person and I do get anxiety from time to time, and when I do seek therapy. And the way I kind of identify that I am going off track is that my unproductive days kind of start snowballing till I feel like I'm doing work, but then I'm not actually getting anything done. So when I worked with my therapist, we kind of found a system for me to realize sooner and more effectively when this cycle was happening and kind of correct it. So I'm just going to take you through my working style and hope it helps you. So the first thing that I do at the start of every month or at the end of another month is I make a monthly goal. Now, this goal is never related to any sort of number or any sort of award per se. It's more to do with what I would like to do this month and what I would like to put in terms of work. So you will notice that if, say, I'm on Instagram or YouTube, it's not that I need to get so many subscribers, it's that I would like to put out one video a week. It doesn't matter how the video does. What matters is that I am putting in that work. So I will create that kind of goal both for my startup and for my YouTube, and I also create that for my health. I'm not a freak when it comes to my health, but I genuinely love keeping my body clean and active because I really enjoy traveling and adventure sports, and I feel like I want to keep my body always ready and prepared for that. So I have 3 monthly goals that I kind of prepare, and then when I start every single day, I create a to-do list, and then I create a must-do list. Now this is something I picked up from I think it's called Get Your Shit Together by Sarah Knight. I will leave a clip in here. It's a brilliant book if you think you've been sitting on your bum for way too long and you need someone to come and wake you up and get your shit together, quite literally. You should check it out. She talks about how your to-do list can sometimes just be super long, and from that you have to prioritize and say, okay, this is my to-do list, but this is my must-do list. So even through the day, if I don't complete everything on my to-do list, if I get my must-do list done, I will be kind to myself and I will be good. So I create a to-do list and I create a must-do list for a day every single day, and then I kind of check things off or I don't, depending on how my day goes. Some days are good, some days not so good. But the other thing that's super important and what therapy helped me with is to be extra kind and compassionate to myself. Quite fortunate enough to have friends around me who are all doing brilliant things, like freaking amazing things, and I constantly see them be hard to themselves. I'm looking at someone right now. Be super hard to themselves and kind of equate their self-worth or how their day was depending on how much they worked or what they ticked off on their to-do list. And I am someone who did that too for a while. And when you're doing well, it's a great thing because you're validated, your self-esteem is on top. But on the days that you really need to be kind to yourself and you're not able to get through those to-do lists, you will really have a hard time to get through it, which is what I was having. So even on the days that I do absolutely nothing, I still reward myself with a movie. I catch up with my parents, I chill with my cats, and I say it's okay, tomorrow's a new day, because I know if I could do it, I would do it. So I'm very kind to myself these days, and it really has helped me genuinely. And keeping track of my to-do list and must-do list also helped me understand how many such unproductive days I've had, and if they go beyond 3 or 4, then I kind of sit in with myself and do a check-in on why this is happening, because sometimes it's not necessary that it's always your fault. Maybe the work that I'm doing, I'm not really enjoying, and maybe I need to say no to that and pick something else up. And that's a good thing. That's a self-awareness that's coming out of something that you've tracked, which is why I love tracking my work. So that's basically how I work. This kind of went on like a rant or a lecture series with dishfishh. I'm drinking green tea, lemon and honey. I absolutely love green tea. So that's usually how I work. We have to do yoga. Yeah, so at 7 p.m. we have to do yoga. We usually do yoga in the morning from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. But someone didn't wake up. So we're going to be doing it at 7 p.m. We're right on time. We're going to do our yoga.
Got a lot of venom in my veins. Got a lot of ice inside my bones. But baby, you should know I wasn't no.
Hello. So me and Raksha did like a nice little stretching session, and then we did a dance workout. The link to the dance workout that we followed will be in the description box. I then quickly took a shower and hopped in here to cook because I was supposed to make dinner. I made one pot biryani. The link will be in the description box. I made a whole IGTV video on how you can make it. So make sure you check it out because it's super delicious and very, very easy to make. The plan for the night is just to finish off dinner and then maybe do a little reading and finish for the day. But I will check in with you. Hello, clearly today is a new day. I just wanted to hop on here to kind of close the vlog because I didn't yesterday. The one pot biryani turned out really, really tasty, and I kind of got lost in conversations with my parents, and then I got really tired and sleepy. It was quite a long day, honestly. So that's it. That was my day. It turned out to be a day with my best friend. I think that's what I'm going to title the video. It was supposed to be a normal workday vlog, but sometimes I do like to kind of switch it up and mix it up and just have fun with my working days. I hope you had fun enjoying this. If you like this video, then make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you're notified every time I post a video. If you want me to make any other kind of videos, just leave me a comment and I will create it. I'm genuinely enjoying taking requests from you guys and then making the videos because I am clearly new to this whole thing, and it just really helps to have a two-way conversation going. I think I've mentioned this before, so leave me a comment and I will make sure and I will make sure to get back to it. See you in my next video.